Total synthesis is the complete chemical synthesis of a complex molecule, often a natural product, from simple, commercially available precursors. It usually refers to a process not involving the aid of biological processes, which distinguishes it from semisynthesis. The target molecules can be natural products, medicinally important active ingredients, or organic compounds of theoretical interest. Often the aim is to discover new route of synthesis for a target molecule for which there already exists known routes. Sometimes no route exists and the chemist wishes to find a viable route for the first time. One important purpose of total synthesis is the discovery of new chemical reactions and new chemical reagents. History: the discovery by Friedrich Wöhler in 1828 that an organic substance, urea, can be produced from inorganic starting materials was an important conceptual milestone in chemistry, as it showed for the first time that a substance previously known only as a byproduct of life could be synthesized in the laboratory. He obtained urea artificially by treating silver cyanate with ammonium chloride. This was a rather simple synthesis. AnCO plus ammonium chloride, NH2, 2CO plus silver 1 chloride. Haller and Blanc synthesized camphor from camphoric acid. Camphoric acid, however, had an unknown structure. In 1904, Finnish chemist Gustaf Komper became the first to succeed in manufacturing synthetic camphoric acid from diethyl oxalate and 33-dimethyl pentanoic acid. The use of these precursors provided a demonstration for the structure of camphor, which is a complicated ring. William Perkin published another synthesis a short time later. At the time, camphor was a scarce and expensive natural product with a worldwide demand. Komper realized this and began industrial production of camphor in Tainiomakoski, Finland. In 1907, the difficulties posed by the total synthesis of a complex compound often lead to the development of new chemical reactions and routes that entail novel mechanisms, catalysts, or techniques. Finally, since a total synthesis project will often span a variety of reactions, it serves to prepare chemists for pursuits in process chemistry, where encyclopedic knowledge of chemical reactions and a strong and accurate sense of chemical intuition are necessary. Scope: a classic in total synthesis is quinine total synthesis. It has a history of many partial syntheses spanning 150 years filled with disputes and frustration. The American chemist Robert Burns Woodward was a preeminent figure in developing total syntheses of complex organic molecules including cholesterol, cortisone, strychnine, lysergic acid, reserpine, chlorophyll, colchicine, vitamin B12 and prostaglandin F2A. Oxytocin and vasopressin were isolated and their total synthesis reported in 1954, work for which Vincent Duvino was awarded the 1955 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with the citation for his work on biochemically important sulfur compounds, especially for the first synthesis of a polypeptide hormone. Quote, "Another gifted chemist is Elias James Corey, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1990 for lifetime achievement in total synthesis and the development of retrosynthetic analysis." The Organic Synthesis Archive. Total synthesis highlights. Total synthesis news. Total synthesis schemes with reaction and reagent indices. Group meeting problems in organic chemistry.